Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable sending voice messages in a Telegram group on PC with the latest update. If you're managing a group and want to keep conversations organized, this small setting can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and navigate to the group you oversee. You'll want to be the group administrator to change permissions. Once you're inside, look to the top of the screen where you'll see a simple 3-line menu icon. Click that to reveal more options. From the menu, select Manage Group. This section holds all the controls for how your group operates. After you enter Manage Group, you'll find Permissions. This is where you can fine-tune what members are allowed to do within the chat. In the Permissions panel, you'll see several toggles related to what users can send. Locate the option labeled Send Media. You'll want to adjust the sub-options under this category. Specifically, uncheck voice messages. This stops members from sending voice messages in the group while still allowing other media like photos, videos, and files if you leave those toggles enabled. After you've unchecked voice messages, look for a Save button to apply your changes. Click Save and you're all set. The group will now prevent voice messages from being sent, helping keep the conversation flowing in a way that suits your group's needs. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. If you ever need to revert this setting, simply go back to the same permissions area and recheck voice messages. You can also combine this with other permission tweaks like moderating who can send messages at certain times or limiting who can pin chats to create a well-managed space for your members. That's everything you need to disable voice messages in a Telegram group on PC after the new update.